Okay, so just a quick little update. I haven't done a whole lot. I've just been cleaning the engine up because you can see kind of it was grimy, lots of grime. So I literally just got a bucket and some degreaser, and I'm cleaning everything. I'm cleaning the heads up. I was hoping there'd be a little bit of paint under there because when I started, you can see like right there. Sorry about my shadows. How about this? Yeah, anyway. A little bit of paint was there underneath when I started. I thought, oh good, maybe there'll be some paint on here like the other engine. Not so much, it's all rust. But I dug out, you can actually see the metal and the gasket now there on the intake. Got some cleaning up still to do on the carb and the Bakelite and such. Get in there, but I got that. I don't know if I had that on the last one. Got that alternator on there, but I might need a new belt for that to fit. Needs to be a bigger belt too, but I think I've got to trim this back. I got to trim this here and move it back because I don't think it lines quite up. In fact, I haven't got a straight edge out there, but I'm pretty sure I gotta move that back about, I don't know, a quarter or a half inch to make that fit. Well, that's where I'm at. So yeah, gee whiz, just cleaning it still. I still gotta pull all this off. I'm gonna pull the, I got a 12-volt conversion kit. I think I told you guys that already, but yeah, so I got to get in there and figure that out, change out all the plugs and stuff, and I want to do that before I get in here and pull this one out. I don't have a whole lot of space to have one out and one in, but I was hoping as I see how I cleaned this one up a little bit previous, I got that paint still on underneath, and I was hoping that one would look like this. But yeah, not so much. So anyway, haven't pulled this one out as I said yet, but we'll get there. I pulled the seat out. I don't know if I shared all that. I actually got an estimate on my recovering my old bench here. I really want to recover it, but man, it's gonna need some work. The springs need to be, reattached in there. I think most of these springs are good, but obviously that's got to be welded up in there. And yeah, pinch back together. That's going to take a little bit of time and money to fix that bench. So I may just find something else that fits in there. From a van or minivan or something like that, if I can find it, and adapt it. Really would like to kind of keep that old seat though. I like the idea of that old bench in there. And shout out to Ken. When I talked about the interior on this last time, the gentleman saw the video and said, I got a speedometer, so I got a speedometer coming anytime. So the speedometer will be fixed soon and shortly. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. Oh, I need a tailgate too. I got two tailgates over here from a 56 and a 48, I think. Neither one of them fit. They're too wide. So if any of you out there have a tailgate that'll fit, I need like 48-inch wide with the below the top attachment. I'll trade you one of mine. All right, that's what I know. Talk to you later.